The Reimbursement Center dashboard in your VIA Benefits online account is the central location to review your account activity and submit reimbursements. If you look under HRA, Health Reimbursement Arrangement, on the left side of your screen, you will see your account summary. Here you can view your total available balance, as well as payments on hold. It will also show you a breakdown of balance rollovers from previous years, which account for your total available balance. You can view your detailed account activity by selecting either View Account or More. You are able to make reimbursement requests by selecting either Premium Reimbursement or Out-of-Pocket Reimbursement in the upper right corner of the screen. You would select Premium Reimbursement to seek reimbursement for current plan premiums or premiums for previous years. Out-of-pocket reimbursement are for those infrequent medical expenses, such as deductibles, copays, as well as prescription drug costs. Let's walk through an example of how to submit for an out-of-pocket reimbursement using your online account. To begin, click on Out-of-Pocket Reimbursement. You will get a notification detailing the necessary elements your supporting documentation must have in order for it to be a valid supporting document. It also identifies the different ways you can submit the supporting document. On the left side of the screen in gray, you will find your progress bar. After completing a section on the form, the progress bar will let you know what items still remain incomplete. The first section on the form is identifying what category you are seeking reimbursement for. Use the drop-down list to select the category type. The next section is identifying the expense type. Once again, use the drop-down list to select your expense type based on the category you selected above. Then select the date the service took place. You can use the drop-down list to change the month as well as the year if needed. Enter in the amount you paid for the good or service. Next, enter in the provider or carrier's name. Then use the drop-down list to select the individual the service was for. Last, provide your supporting documentation. There are two ways to submit your supporting documentation. You can either upload the document by scanning it to your desktop or taking a picture of it with your phone and saving it to your computer, or you can fax or mail the document directly to VIA Benefits. Uploading the document is the recommended method since it does expedite the reimbursement process and it makes tracking your reimbursement easier. Just select Upload File. You can browse for the file on your desktop, or you can drag the document into the box. Then select Review and Submit. If all of the information is correct, submit the reimbursement. Another easy way to submit a reimbursement is through VIA Benefits' new mobile application. Just download the app to your phone, complete the form, and take a picture of the supporting documentation, front and back, and attach it with your submission. Remember, VIA Benefits is always there to assist you with any questions or concerns about your HRA and submitting for reimbursement.